Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where I always have a plan, but that's not necessarily a good thing. My friends usually just run away when I announce I have a plan, so hopefully you won't run away. So right now this will be the third episode of the Beehive project, in which we will repurpose my granddad's old military chest into a custom-made beehive to keep bees from the spring. In the first episode I introduced you to the chest. In the second episode we cut off one edge of the chest, and in this third episode we will saw out the middle section and throw that away so that we can join the two edges in the next episode. But this is sawing the second edge off. So let's see if everything goes according to plan. And what else? Let's get back into the saw business. So the trickiest part is when half of the screw head just decides to break off, just like that. I wonder if there's a tool for events like this. So the idea is to use a tongue and groove joint. One half would receive the tongue, the other one the groove, and then we will glue it up all together. So this is the plan. We have the bottom of the chest and here's the lid. And of course the beekeeping frames need to be lifted off the base because we would not be able to get those out. The bees would just glue the bottom of the frames to the bottom of the chest with propolis. And that's why we need this ledge here and on the opposite side as well to properly hang the frames. So that's it. 10 frames are meant to be fit in the box for now, which is quite an average size for beekeepers. So this is a real-life recreation of the plan itself. The frames will end here and the support bar comes across, either a solid board, or I might just prefer to leave a couple of centimeters at the top and support those with struts. So theoretically, and if I was a precise machine, then we would have to split the whole thing here, but of course I would have to leave space for the groove here and a tongue here. But unfortunately I'm not a machine, so I think we'll just leave maybe 3 centimeters to spare, and then slowly creep up on the final measurement here until we reach a perfect fit. Oh. I think I got the wrong side. Still, this is not the end because I have another plan. So keep watching. And by the way, I'm kinda getting into the habit of uploading a video every Friday because FeriTales rhymes with Friday, even if it's not a rhyme but an alliteration. So F for Feri, F for Friday. It's my favorite F word. Friday or FeriTales. So you might want to keep looking for Friday uploads from now on. Let's see how I manage. At least that's the plan. And if you are not familiar with my channel enough, then subscribe. If you are, then please hit the like button. See you later.